Alpha team clear. Heading to surface.
All teams, eyes on target. Phase 1 complete.
Charlie copies. We're set.
Roger that, moving to phase 2. Patrol boat 2 o'clock. Get under.
Stay tight. Rog, no movement.
Good hook. Let's get up top.
All teams, Alpha's on the axe. What's your status? Bravo's over the DZ.
Charlie standing by.
Nods on. AO strobes on.
Keep it quiet. Bravo is inbound. Solid copy. Move to set. Bravo inbound. All teams, Bravo's on deck. Pushing up. Alpha to Charlie, you set?
Affirm.
All teams, green to go in phase 2.
Check.
Rog.
Doors locked.
Rog, on it. Got it. All clear.
Descending stairwell, south side.
All shooters be advised, enemies launching an attack bird. Copy, we're heads up. Going hot. Charlie, go for distraction. Hostiles incoming! Shooter, second floor, window. Copy that! Check your targets, 2-1. Clear. 2-1, rally the hatch for entry. Waiting on you at the hatch, 2-1.
Enemies incoming. Get underground.
Bravo, Alpha's in the tunnels. What's your status? Outside the control room, waiting on you. Copy, at the air duct, stand by.
All teams, let's roll thunder. Bravo, pull the plug.
Roger. Blackout in 3, 2, 1. Execute. All teams, Bravo's got the keys. Copy. Target the guards only. Use the inmate for cover when we kick off the riot. Roger, urgent. Clear. More in the cell block, left side. Smoking. Hold. Stay high. Kill those flashlights.
Bravo, kick off the riot.
Roger. Opening blocks 1 through 4. Watch your shots, 2-1.
Let's go.
Contact.
Block is clear. Heading down.
Avoid the prisoners, 2-1. We need them right now. Alpha 1 to Bravo 1. Open 55C. Check.
Alpha moving to sublevel X4.
Check your shots, 2-1. Dead prisoners get help. Contact. Clear. Alpha moving on sub-level. Let's get our guy.
Ready, breach. Breacher up. Alpha's on target, stand by. Flare. Step into the light.
Сколько ж времени прошло, Ваня?
All stations PID on 627.
Copy. Opening 627.
Железный план.
Любой план зависит от его выполнения. Это только начало.
All teams, we have him. Moving in 30. Для меня это большая честь, командир Макаров.
6 лет.
22 дня, 4 часа.
Браток. Рад видеть вас обоих. Тебя тоже.
Что вы добились в этой камере?
Это только верхушка айсберга. All stations, this is your commander, Vladimir Makarov. Call sign Tsar 90 actual. I have the con. Move to phase 3. Out. On me. Vanya, I trust the exfil plan is intact.
Так точно, командир. We head up the elevator and walk out the front door. Charlie, be on the other side of the door.
Хорошо. Чем проще, тем лучше. До поры до времени.
Contact! Let's go!
Andrei, gear up and let's move.
Где сейчас противник? Готов! Они у шкафчиков!
Andrei, gear up and let's move.
Здесь нужно подкрепление! Где сейчас противник? Противники в раздевалке! Clear.
Alpha 2-1 to Charlie. Actual secure, we're moving to Xville. Приготовиться.
Alpha 1 ascending an elevator, actual secure. Prep for exfil. How copy?
All stations, top side is hot, top side is hot. Troops in contact.
Copy, stand by. Охрана блокирует право наверху. Задерживаем вертолет.
поднимутся зэки, чтобы отвлечь охрану. Это наш шанс. Задержка увеличит риск. Андрей, who holds power in this gulag? The guards or the prisoners? Which is it, Bratок?
The prisoners.
Yes, Андрей. That's why the guards need guns. Молодец, воин. Докажите это своими действиями. За мной!
All stations, we got an MC nest active on the watchtower.
Zartu Raptor, requesting immediate fire on the courtyard tower. How copy?
Roger that, Raptors inbound. Raptor to the ground, target acquired. Danger close.
Copy, rain fire!
Shots out, box 2. Direct, target destroyed.
Get to the tunnel, that's our exit.
Heads up! Enemy helo is overhead!
But you should have taken it out when you had the chance.
Don't worry, it's focused on the prisoner.
Отлично! Guards are losing ground.
We're clear. Let's go. Charlie, we're coming to you now. Freeze down. Clear everybody. Let's go. Charlie was supposed to handle that helo.
If it was a problem, you should have dealt with it. Follow the cliffside to the water. Our boat will provide covering fire.
Shooters on the wall.
Ignore them. Get to the boat. Андрей, давай! Я держу! Командир! Давай, давай, давай!
Пронесло! Мы ваши должники, командир!
Тут нет должников. Есть только преданность. Непоколебимая преданность.